Right now, we saw some green on the radar overnight. Seeing some gray here, representing some cloud cover from the city on south. But skies are clearing out once that sun is up, and still, in about 2 hours, we will see some sun to start our day. It's 40 degrees at O'Hare, 43 at Midway, 39 in Yorkville. I think these temperatures will drop off a little bit more here this morning. But our temperatures here this afternoon, low 50s, and it is going to become really windy around the area this afternoon. I will talk more about that coming right up. And let's check in with Roz. What's she wearing?
You know what? A lot of motorists are seeing red this morning because we've got so much overnight road work going on, and a couple of spots have been causing some big delays out there, like the outbound Dan Ryan crews are scheduled to be out there until 6 o'clock. They're doing work in the locals and express between 55th and 63rd, but in the locals, they're scheduled to do these full-lane closures up until 4:30. The road work itself continues a little bit longer, and we just saw one wrap up that caused about a 1-mile backup. Crews are also working in both directions of I-90 to Jane Addams around Route 25 with full-lane closures going on the outbound side, and that, too, is causing a backup. You can see it right there, that outbound delay going into the construction zone. We'll check it again for you coming up in less than 10 minutes. Judy.
Thank you, Rob. Murder in Bali, Indonesia. An I-team is taking a closer look after traffic cameras have caught Mayor Rahm Emanuel's motorcade breaking the law again. And speaking of restoring Mother Nature, Roz and I were out yesterday morning helping to bring some love and attention to several trees downtown. Yes, it is all part of the Morton Arboretum's initiative to tag 2,000 trees, and that's what we were doing. It was a bit windy out there.
I was about to say.
The signs remind people that trees need water and love to grow, and they were doing this really all around. We just had an opportunity to do it right outside on State Street, and yeah, it was fun. Windy.
Yeah, hang on to a tree.
Yeah. Coming up and just reminding everybody about the love our trees need. And we're all in red today. I know. I'm sorry, you couldn't help but notice that on camera.
Right.
Oh, isn't that obvious?
Yeah, exactly. Right. Yeah, exactly.
A shade of red for
I
crying out
know.
loud. Wow.
I don't know how that happened. I don't think that's ever happened
Right.
to all of us
We're
together.
gonna say it's following the Bulls
Bulls,
win last
right.
night,
We'll
right?
make it
Yes, and
And
go
the
Hawks.
Yeah,
Hawks.
Right,
there you
tonight.
go. Hawks tonight. See? Yep. We got it all covered.
You got your cheering section right here. And Morton Arboretum, as we know, beautiful, beautiful spot, a great treasure in this area, and a fantastic children's garden there, too. Well, good morning to you. We start with a look at an alert that goes into effect for the Chicago area later on this morning, and that is a wind advisory. So the entire area. Our wind forecast showing, and these are sustained winds, so you can see sustained winds or the steady state winds, even 20 to 30 miles per hour. Add to that the higher gusts of 40 to 40 miles per hour, 40 to 45 miles per hour expected here today. So really still what to expect this week, a sun-cloud mix. No major storms, though, this week, except it is going to be really windy much of the week. And still, we're looking at the possibility of some frost here Thursday morning and Friday morning. Now, that's banking that these winds do let up a little bit during those overnight periods. Our average high today, 61 degrees. Records intact for the day. So far, our low this morning has been 40 degrees, and that's right around where we should be, really. Skies are nice and clear out at O'Hare. Wind is out of the west-southwest right now at about 14. Beach Park, good morning, at 38. Bristol, Wisconsin at 37. Momence at 37, along with DeMont, Indiana at 37 degrees. And yes, I'm putting some wind chills up because I do think it's important to know how it really feels already with those winds out there this morning. Feels like it's 26 degrees out in DeKalb, 33 right now, the wind chill out in the south. Temperature profile, 11 o'clock this morning, upper 40s, lower 50s, and we just kind of stay low to mid 50s here into the afternoon. 7 o'clock this evening, our numbers start to drop back into the 40s. So our skies have cleared around the area here. We had a few sprinkles coming through. If you have flight plans to the northeast, just give a check ahead. Want to give you a little heads up on that because that storm system has moved to the northeast and producing some heavy rain there. Our futurecast showing, we're going to have this bank of fairly strong west and northwest winds into the day today. And then by Thursday morning, expected low temperatures, probably in the low to mid 30s around here. This morning. morning. Clear to partly cloudy skies. Breezy out there this morning. Now, this afternoon, there will be some sun, but it is really going to be windy around the area here this afternoon. As for tomorrow, another windy day ahead. Highs low 50s. Sunny but cool here Thursday. You get the idea. Very chilly throughout much of the week, especially here on Saturday. Rob?
Wrap up at 5. Some of it continues until 6. And a couple of spots continue to cause some backups. Now, crews are working on the outbound side of the Kennedy from Lake Street to Ogden. That one is not causing any big delays for the moment, but they're also working on those I-190 ramps on the inbound side or eastbound side from Bessie Coleman to Manheim. And we still have that road work on the Ryan. We still have that road work on the Jane Addams. Your travel times,
Seeing skies clearing around the Chicago area. Had a couple light sprinkles around the area overnight. 38 degrees in Lake Bluff, 39 Hebron, Indiana, 37 Kankakee, 39 degrees right now in Yorkville. The one thing you're going to notice here today, especially later on this morning and picking up this afternoon, wicked winds. We could see some wind gusts 40 to 45 miles per hour. Rob, we take a look at the satellite radar imagery. We had a few little light showers during the overnight period, but now skies are becoming clear. And once the sun is up closer to 6 a.m., we will see some sun. Right now, 38 Lake Bluff,